Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be styling my hair in a updo bun. This is good for hot summer days, professional, just looking cute, whatever you want it to be. This is my go-to bun that I use just whenever I feel like throwing my hair up. So this is just what I'm going to do today in this video. It's really simple, quick, easy. All you're going to need is a hair tie that I already keep on my wrist. A gel of your choice. I have chosen the Eco Style gel. And I know this is canceled, but I love this gel. It's the only thing that really keeps my hair in the style that I want it, like this slick look. So I'm going to use this today. The next thing you're going to need is a brush. This is missing bristles. That's okay. Whatever, it still does its job. A edge brush. This is going to be just a toothbrush that I have only used on my edges. Key. And a scarf of your choice, just to make your hair stay in the style of your choice. So today I'm going to be doing an updo bun, and I'm just going to jump right into it and show you guys exactly what I do. I'll probably be wearing my hair in a bun for the next at least 2 days. I've worn it in a bun today. So I'm going to open up my gel, and that's why my hair looks a little slick right now, a little bit wet, is because I have that gel in there from earlier. So I'm gonna actually take my brush and dip it into the gel. It's weird. I'm sure people do that, right? I don't know. And I'm gonna go ahead and start applying it to my hair, all around my head. Once it's all toward the front of your head, I like to just kind of lift it and then gather it all up. And that's when you can start making the adjustments that you need. So I'm going to continue to brush around my head and pick up more gel as needed. Messy right now, but that's okay. Alright, and now with my hair tie, once I've gotten all my hair bundled up in one place, I'm going to take my hair tie and tie it around once and then twice and release. Alright. Yep. So there's the bun so far. Okay. It's messy, but it's cute, and it's like tall. I love it. So the next step is to apply gel to my edges. So I'm going to take my edge toothbrush and the rest of my gel that I was using earlier, and then lay my baby hairs down. So I don't know if you guys can see it here, but there's some frizzy flyaways right here. So I'm going to take some gel and I'm just going to smooth it down on there, and take my edge toothbrush and lay that down as well. I want it to be as slick as possible. This is just my preference. I love when my hair is really slick and then messy. Yep, and this is the bun. So the next thing I'm going to do is throw on a scarf and make sure that everything is settled and set. Alright, yeah, so that is it. Super quick, super easy. I'm just going to take this off for the aesthetic. Just kind of tuck in the little flyaways. Sometimes it's cute to have flyaways. This one is the cutest curl. So that one's going to go away. But curls that are cute, like this one, can just hang out and just be itself. Yeah, this is the bun. This is my favorite bun to do. You need to let it set with a scarf.
Sob, drop the beat.
anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed this really quick video, quick tutorial on how I get this bun. The slick but messy kind of bun, curly bun. But I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. And please comment down below any other gels that you guys have tried that you would like. I am in the search for a new gel because apparently this one's canceled. I'm a little late to that party. So yeah, please comment below on a new gel. I would love to know. But anyway, if not, it's cool. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. But I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day or your night or your morning, whatever it is. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!